Welcome back to Explain the Charts, your go-to source for in-depth market analysis. Today is January 31st, 2025, and we're diving deep into the world of Bitcoin, exploring the latest news and correlating it to the price action. Recent news headlines indicate a surge in Bitcoin's trading volume, with some analysts predicting a potential price jump above $110,000. This bullish sentiment could be attributed to the Federal Reserve's recent decision to stay put on interest rates, creating a more favorable environment for risk assets such as Bitcoin. Let's take a look at the daily chart to see how this news translates visually. We can observe a clear upward trend in Bitcoin's price over the past few weeks, suggesting increasing buying pressure. Notice the consistent upward movement, punctuated by occasional minor pullbacks. These pullbacks provide opportunities for long-term investors to accumulate Bitcoin at potentially discounted prices. Now, zooming into the 1-hour time frame reveals a more granular picture of the price action. The 1-hour chart shows periods of consolidation, which allows us to identify support and resistance levels. The support levels seem to be around $90,000 to $95,000 based on recent lows, which is a significant price area. If the price drops below this support, it might signal a temporary reversal or a more significant correction. On the other hand, resistance appears to be around $105,000 to $110,000. Breaking through this barrier could further amplify the upward trajectory, potentially leading to even higher price targets. Let's look at the 15-minute chart for the finer details. The 15-minute chart unveils smaller, faster price fluctuations and offers insights into the market's short-term volatility. These short-term price movements, while significant for day traders, are less meaningful for long-term investors. The short-term swings could be quite wild, but we should expect an overall upward trajectory. Let's filter the data on the one-day chart and focus on the period between October 23rd and October 26th. During this period, there was a remarkable price surge. This substantial increase might correlate with bullish news headlines or market sentiment. Identifying the specific news events surrounding this period will enhance our analysis. Now we're going to look at the daily chart for the larger picture. Considering the overall trends, current news, and various chart patterns, the price seems to be at a crucial juncture. A breakdown below $90,000 could lead to further drops, while a breakout above $110,000 could send prices skyrocketing. The likelihood of a significant short-term price move hinges on whether the $105,000 to $110,000 resistance level can be breached or if $90,000 to $95,000 support fails. A sustained increase in Bitcoin's trading volume, alongside positive news concerning Bitcoin's adoption or regulation, would strengthen the probability of a bull run. Conversely, negative news, like increased regulatory scrutiny or a major security breach, could trigger a sharp decline. Keep an eye on these factors. We'll recap the key levels once more before concluding. Key support levels are $90,000 to $95,000 in the short term and $80,000 in the long term, and key resistance levels are $105,000 to $110,000 and $120,000 for the long term. The likelihood of reaching these levels depends on the interplay of various market forces. Remember, this analysis is for informational purposes only and not financial advice. Always do your own research and consult with a financial professional before making any trading decisions. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more Explain the Charts videos.